I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the files and confirming the app can load external subtitles. Open UC Browser and make sure it's updated. Older builds may not expose subtitle controls. Place the video and the SRT or AS file in the same folder on your phone and name them identically except for the extension. Once done, this matching ensures the player auto-detects captions. If auto-detection fails, you'll load the subtitle manually in the next step. Now you load the subtitle into UC Browser's player. Play the video, tap the screen to show controls, and locate the subtitle or CC icon. If you don't see it, open the three-dot menu. Select Load External Subtitle or Add Subtitle, then browse to the folder where you saved the SRT or AS file. Choose the file and confirm. The player will overlay captions in sync if timing looks off. You can adjust sync in the next step to match audio precisely. Finish by checking timing and saving your setup. If captions appear early or late, use the player's subtitle delay or synchronization setting to shift text by milliseconds until dialogue matches. Small adjustments make a big difference. Make the change permanent by saving playback settings or ensuring both file names match for auto-load next time. If subtitles still fail, convert the file format to SRT, clear app cache, or reinstall UC Browser. This troubleshooting step resolves most compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.